Welcome back to San Antonio Living. Ladies, this is a special segment just for you. We are going to be talking about some things for the ladies. So if you've got young kids, just send them somewhere else because, boy, I'll tell you what, we have problems and we got to fix them. And I know sometimes it's embarrassing talking about these kinds of problems, but this morning I'm going to take care of everything for you so you don't even have to worry about it. Dr. Connie Hires is joining us this morning from Dr. Connie Hires Plastic Surgery and Med Spa. And also Mary Day is here. She's one of her patients. Good to see you guys. Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
So you hit a certain age, you've had kids, and things start to change in your body. And it used to be that you just had to put up with that.
Right.
But nowadays, we can fix those problems. So let's talk about the answer. It's called THERMIva. What is that?
That is using radio waves, radio frequency, to bring in heat.
Okay.
So we can tighten tissue, improve blood flow, which gives us more moisture, more sensation, and those ladies who menopausal, who like cough and sneeze and leak, we can fix that too. Now you
know what I'm talking about, ladies, because trust me, girls, we talk about everything when we're with our girlfriends, and so this is a common problem with a lot of ladies, and you don't have to put up with it anymore.
No.
So how many treatments does it take to tighten things up?
It's 3 treatments. They're a month apart.
Okay.
It's done in the office. No pain, no needles, no anesthesia. When you're done, if you want to go work out, you may.
Okay.
You can even have relations that night if you wish.
Okay. So it's a very easy procedure.
Easy procedure, very safe.
Okay.
Advantage of this treatment, we're treating internal and external. Where like some of the lasers only do internal.
So it actually helps with the look of everything too.
The look of it and tighten. Everything gets stretched out with babies and gets stretched out with time. And especially people who ride motorcycles or horses or do a lot of yoga, things can be uncomfortable. So it helps tighten.
It's annoying. It really is. It really is. So, Mary, let me chat with you for a little bit because you came to see Dr. Hires for the THERMIva treatment. What brought you to her? What were some of the problems you were dealing with?
God sent me to her. Accidentally, Dr. Hires told me about what she could do, and I said, sign me up right then. It's been wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Ladies, if you've, at my age or anywhere past 40 or even younger than that, it's very important, and it has helped a great deal. There's no more pads after that, and most women know what I'm talking about. You don't have to do that. Your husband will love it.
Added bonus.
Yes, yes, and it's just much more comfortable. I went shopping afterward.
And so so how many treatments do you need to really get optimal results?
3.
3? And how many have you had?
I've had 2.
And you already can tell a huge difference.
I could tell the difference after the first one and the second one. I can't wait for my third one.
Very nice. Okay, so after the 3rd procedure, how long will the results last?
Depending on your age, and depending on, you know, if you birth 16 children or not.
That's a lot, yeah.
So you can have a boost treatment periodically if needed. It might be a year, it might be 2 years, it might be 3 years. It just depends on where you are.
Okay.
If you're 90 years old when you start, well, you may need them a little more frequently. If you're 30, just because everything got stretched out, you may not need a treatment for a long time.
Okay. So it's really going to depend on the situation.
Right.
Mary, let's talk about the importance of having someone like Dr. Hires do this procedure for you, because here's the thing, like I said earlier, you know, it's hard to talk about stuff like this. You have to feel comfortable with the person who's treating you.
Right, and the people in this office, everyone in there is absolutely wonderful. They're very friendly. They welcome you. Dr. Hires is fabulous. We talk like we've known each other forever, and they're a wonderful group, so you feel very comfortable having the procedure done. I tell all these women that don't even know that this is out there.
Right.
This is what you need to have done.
All right.
Trust me, you need to have this done.
I love to hear that. It's fantastic. And Dr. Hires is a plastic surgeon, and you've got everything you need in that office, whether it's the THERMIva, whether you're looking for breast augmentation, or you just want to learn how to take care of your skin. Everything under one roof. Very nice to meet you, Mary. Thank you for coming this morning. Dr. Hires, always good to see you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I want to tell you about a special offer because you can take $250 off the THERMIva procedure if you mention San Antonio living. So call and ask about it right now. The phone number is on your screen. Is 494-8446. Again, 494-8446. And it's Dr. Connie Hires Plastic Surgery and Med Spa. They're at 225 East Ontario Boulevard. And you can find out more on the website, findmybeautiful.com. All right, coming up, it's National